Hello everyone. In the last video, I did consider the staircase problem and we observed that its solution required simply a pattern observation, and that number pattern was nothing but a famous Fibonacci sequence. If you have missed that video, I am providing the link in the description box. In today's episode, I am taking the same problem but now using the concept of permutations, the topic which usually students study in grade 11th. So the problem statement is that suppose a child can climb the stairs by taking a one step at a time or two steps at a time in any order. He climbs the stairs in a different way each time. In how many ways he can climb a 10-step staircase? So before we come to the solution, let's quickly check out what do we mean by permutation. So permutation is basically an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. We also need here the meaning of factorial. So n factorial as a notation, it represents the product of first n natural numbers. For example, 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, the product of first 3 natural numbers. 4 factorial represents 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is the product of first 4 natural numbers, and so on. Also, the permutations when all the objects are not distinct. Here is a simple formula which we will be using. Number of permutations of n objects where p1 objects are of the one kind, p2 are of the second kind, and pk are of the kth time, and the rest if any are of the different kind. The total number of permutations of n objects is given by this formula, n factorial divided by p1 factorial into p2 factorial into and so on till p of k factorial. Now we come to the solution part for 10 stairs. So what are all possible cases? Observe that child can take one step each time. So there are 10 stairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So obviously there is only one case which is possible. The other possibility could be a child take 2 step each time. So naturally in 5 such steps he will reach at the top of the stairs. So there again only one possible case. Now let us assume that a child take 2 steps and then followed by 8 steps taking one step each time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many total different ways are there? So that is given by a simple formula. We have 9 places, so total 9 factorial divided by the repetition of this ones which are coming 8 times. When this is simplified, so this comes out equal to 9 cases. Another possibility could be 2 steps, and now since 4 steps already being covered, rest 6 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one step each. Now in this case we have total of 8 places, that is 8 factorial divided by, now this 2 is coming 2 times, we divide by 2 factorial, and this 1 is coming 6 times. So divide by 6 factorial. When you simplify this, it is 28 cases. I am leaving the calculation on you. Another next possibility could be taking 2 steps and 6 stairs already being covered, followed by 1 step each. So which total now amounts to 7 factorial. Total 7 places were there, wherein 2 came repeatedly 3 times and 1 came for the 4 times. So we divide by their factorials and it simplifies to 35 cases. The another possibility could be 2, 8 steps covered, followed by single steps. So here we have total possible cases 6 factorial divided by these 2's are coming 4 times and 1 is coming 2 times. So this much of total ways are possible, and which amounts to 15 total cases. Observe that all the possibilities are now covered. No other case is left out. So that simply means we just need to add the total number of cases we have found. So let's add them together. So 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 28 plus 35 plus 15, and this is equal to 89. So total number of possible ways is indeed 89, and you can check out in my previous video using the idea of Fibonacci sequence also we arrived at this same answer. The task for you, the first question: in how many ways a child can climb a 12-step staircase by taking 1 step or 2 steps at a time? But this time I am expecting to get your responses using permutations. And the second task, this is the staircase problem extended. So in extended version, in how many ways a child can climb a 10-step staircase by taking 1 step or 2 steps or 3 steps at a time? Again, use the concept of permutation and share your solution. That's all for today. In my next video, I will come back with some interesting idea in mathematics. Please, if you like this video, share with your friends, with your students, with your colleagues. That's all for today. Thank you.